Well, hello there, and welcome to the introduction to the Dental Marketing Club, which is happening live this Thursday, the 14th of June, 1 p.m. on my YouTube channel. You can see the link just there. And we're going to be looking at why, as a dental practice, you absolutely should be blogging. So blogging is a very powerful way to reach local people, to educate and inform them about their dental health, thereby improving the health of the nation. And it's also a fabulous way to set yourself up as the expert in the local area, the expert that cares and shares useful information, which gets you to the top of search results, gets more patients attracted into your practice, and helps more local people. So we're also going to be looking at a blog's location. Should it be somewhere else? Should your blog be on your website? What is a blog? How does a blog work? We're going to be looking at blog topic research. There's no point in writing a blog post if it's completely irrelevant to what those people out there want to talk about and want to read. So how do we research what topics to write about? How do we find out what questions people are asking so that you can get your blog post found and keep it relevant? We're going to look at structuring your blog post. How should you structure your post? Firstly, so that patients find it easy to read, and secondly, so that Google finds it easier to read, because the easier you make it for Google, the higher it will be in those search results. We're then going to look at using tags and categories. Tags and categories are an excellent way of categorizing and tagging various blog posts so that people can find other blog posts which may be able to help them with their specific problem. So, for example, you might write multiple blog posts about teeth whitening in different categories. And if you tag them all with teeth whitening, someone can easily find all those other teeth whitening blog posts, or oral health, or problems with children, or problems with their tongue, or oral cancer, or all sorts of things. So we're going to look at using tags and categories. We're then going to look at getting your blog promoted. There's no point in writing a blog if it's not promoted online. So we'll talk about using RSS feeds and email and social media to promote your blog. We're then going to look at tips for the creative process. So lots of people struggle with this part of blogging. How do you actually get the creative side going? So we're going to look at some tips for the creative process and how you can be creative with your blog and how to utilize those times when you feel creative and how to stimulate that. So this is going to be a fabulous resource for you on blogging for dentistry, which gets your name out there, sets you up as the expert in the local area, helps more local patients, and at the same time attracts more people to your practice. So it's a win-win for everybody involved. So join me on my YouTube channel at 1 p.m. on Thursday, the 14th of June, where we're going to be talking about blogging and attracting patients to your practice using blogging. See you then.